Hey guys, the girl Kinky and welcome back to my channel. You already know this channel is here to help you grow a healthy and long natural hair. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. But if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for coming back to watch. So on today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I refresh my braid, that is cleansing and moisturizing at the same time. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So I'm going to be starting with cleansing my scalp, and what I'm going to be using to cleanse my scalp is this product here, this We Natural Scalp Comfort Shampoo. Now this product is actually, I got it from We Naturals. This video is not a sponsored video, okay? So but I just got this product because I want to use it to cleanse my scalp. Okay, it helps to reduce dandruff, it helps to cleanse the scalp and hair, helps to improve scalp health and promote hair growth. So this shampoo does not foam at all, like it doesn't have latter at all. So I'm going to be using this with a cotton wool. Okay, so because this cotton wool is going to be helping me clean my scalp properly. So how I'm going to be using it is I'm going to be spraying this on this. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to just use it to clean in between the lines of my hair. So this video is actually a challenge that I am participating in with my friends, and this challenge is going to last for a week. Okay, so you're going to be seeing videos every day for 7 days. So I'm going to be leaving the links to their channel in the description box so you guys can check their videos out, subscribe to their channel, and also give their videos a very big thumbs up. Okay, so I'm just done cleaning my scalp, and this is the cotton wool. So I'm just going to go in to spray this hemp oil moisturizing hair mist on my hair, because this product is a water-based product and it helps to moisturize my hair. It doesn't cause product buildup for me. So make sure you're using a water-based product whenever you are moisturizing your hair in braids. Okay, so the last step is using this We Natural Scalp Comfort Oil to seal in the moisture in my hair. Okay, so it is very important that you use oil to seal in the moisture whenever you are moisturizing your hair. So it's really not necessary that you must use products to cleanse and moisturize your hair. I have a video on 2 easy ways you can cleanse your scalp and moisturize them during protective style. I'm leaving the link to the video down in the description box so you can check it out. So make sure you massage this oil into your scalp so they can get to every part of your scalp. Okay, so after massaging my scalp with this oil, I'm just going to go ahead to apply this oil on my braids so that the moisture there will also be sealed, and making sure the oil goes round and everywhere. This oil helps to reduce itchy scalp, like it reduces itchy scalp for me, and it's just a very good hair oil. Okay, so you can see my hair and my scalp is all cleaned up and moisturized and shiny at the same time. So this is how I usually cleanse and moisturize my hair during a protective style like this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you share this video and leave a comment and in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.